Well, this might be something I regret doing, but I'm going to try to do this. Holding it with my bare hands. Without a whatchamacallit. Might set me up a whatchamacallit. Virus thing or something. But maybe since I got partway through it and it got hot, then I can leave it off with the other man. Yeah, like that. Okay. So now I should be able to shoot me a couple Tech screws down into that door. Put this on that door. Now let's go over and consider that, because we don't want to shoot a screw through the window glass or anything like that. You know, I want to think about where them screws is going to go after they go through that hole. I don't know for sure if I can see the mirror from out there or not. Probably the point where several of you are out there saying, no, don't do that. This is something I did on a rat rod one time. A guy out in California named Angel sent me a rear view mirror out of a 59 Chevy truck. I put it on my rat rod. Turned the mirror this way, and it was really better turned that way than it was flat out, because when I went up and down the hill I could see more, and I didn't really need to see out in this area here. I suppose if you was on the interstate it might matter, but not so much. I like that real good, and I put it far enough here so my vent. This is the vent. Good with that. One more little task done. Oh, the joy. Now I need to find me some window cleaner. Clean that mirror. See where my spray way is.